Okay, this is what I do to prepare for a trip. I make a Google Doc. I like to make a Google Doc over notes. I don't know why, it just feels more official, but I do a Google Doc and I like to have, 20 to 50 tabs open at once on my laptop, and then I can just copy and paste everything that I'm looking at, everything that I want to take a look at for the vacay, and put it on the Google Doc. The thing, I like to categorize it by city, of course. In Australia, doing 3 cities, so Sydney, Gold Coast, and Adelaide. So I'll do food, then I categorize activities, and those are pretty much the 2 main things for me. Even though I am, as we say in Australia now, I can say that I am a veggie, but I'm still a foodie. So food is number 1. Activities are number 2, and activities would also include shopping and things. So, and I like to put links, whether it's Instagram link or the website